Welcome back to Creative Casa. In today's video, we are diving into world of kitchen corner decor ideas. Often overlooked, these corner can be transformed into functional and aesthetically pleasing space that add character to your cooking area. Whether you have a small kitchen or a spacious one, we have got creative ideas to make the most out of every corner. Let's get started. Utilize your kitchen corners by creating a charming herb garden. Install floating shelves or hanging planters to display your favorite herbs. Not only will this add a touch of greenery, but it will also provide you with fresh ingredients and your fingertips. Transform a corner into functional pantry. Install tall adjustable shelves or a corner cabinet to store dry goods, snacks, and kitchen essentials. Use transparent containers to keep everything organized and easy visible. Install open shelves in a corner to create a attractive display area. Arrange decorative dishes, cookbooks, and kitchen gadgets to showcase your personal style while keeping frequently used items within each. Turn a kitchen corner into a functional message center. Install a crockboard or a magnetic chalkboard to keep track of grocery lists, family schedules, and inspirational quotes. Give your kitchen a touch of nostalgia with a vintage corner vignette. Place antique kitchenware, retro scales, and vintage cookbooks on display shelves. Incorporate old fashioned decor elements for a timeless feel. Enhance the ambience of your kitchen corners with under cabinet lighting. Install LED strips or puck lights to illuminate dark corner, making them feel more spacious and inviting. There you have it, creative and inspiring kitchen corner decor ideas to transform your cooking space into a charming and functional area. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for home decorate inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.